YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you again, because I didn't show you properly on the Thunderbest, the Nerf End Strike Elite, which I didn't tell you. Nerf End Strike Elite Thunderblast. It's called Thunderblast. It's the RPG one. I'm going to show you a demonstration on how powerful and how far it shoots. See? So many handles. So comparing against the Nerf End Strike Elite Stockade Thunderblast. Who will win? We will see. This is manual powered. That is battery powered. Already a bullet in there. What's the point? Alright. We're going to do a slow motion. You ready? Okay, you ready? That was a Nerf End Strike Elite Thunderblast. Take 2, Nerf End Strike Elite Stockade. Here we go. And there you go. That's all my Nerf gun tests for now. I'll catch you later. This is Max Showing 98 channel calling out. Bye YouTube. And remember to like, subscribe, favourite, and comment in down description. See which one you think succeeded the test. Okay, see ya. Bye YouTube. And leave a comment down below. To think what was a good gun to shoot. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And I'll see you later. Bye YouTube.